Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm showing you some last minute holiday inspiration for tomorrow or tonight, depends on when you are celebrating. I did this super easy kind of cool tone sparkly makeup look and I hope this will give you some inspiration. I also posted a golden look yesterday and I have some other glamorous looks on my YouTube channel as well, so definitely check them out if you're still searching for some inspiration. Now the first thing I did was priming my eyelids. I always do this before going in with eyeshadow, and then I used a super matte white color for underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. And I just dabbed this all underneath the brow. Then after this I'm gonna go in with a eyeshadow, but I first really wanted to make sure to highlight the brow to create like a nice transition. So this is the color I'm going in with. It's actually by Makeup Geek. It's just like a medium toned gray color. And I'm going to start blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner and just blending this in my whole crease area. And it's actually going to be the only color I will be using for my crease. So I just wanted to keep it as simple as possible. You only need one color. If you're recreating this, you can also go in with a brown color, for example, if you want to go more for like a warmer version of this eye look, or like a purple or a green or whatever color you want to go for. Just make sure that's kind of like a medium tone color. So I just continue to blend until I'm happy with how it looks. And of course everything I'm doing on one side I'm also doing at the other side of my eye, and I just continue to blend until I'm happy with how everything looks. Then for over my eyelid I'm using a liquid eyeshadow. The one that I'm using is from MAC Cosmetics. I will put the name in the description bar. It's like a really nice kind of like liquidy sparkle. So once you apply it, it will dry and it will just stay for a really long time on your eyelid. It's long lasting and it's so pretty. I feel like it looks even more beautiful in real life. But I love using liquid eyeshadows. They're just easy to use and they give a really nice effect in just a few seconds. I have done a lot of videos where I use a product like this, but from different brands. This was the first time trying out this one by MAC, but I think this one in particular, this color is just so stunning. Then now I went in with some gel eyeliner. I'm using the gel eyeliner from Maybelline. It's their regular gel eyeliner and I really like it. I went for a simple line above the lash line first, and then after this I went for a wing liner. Now if you're recreating this but you want to skip the eyeliner, of course it will look beautiful without eyeliner as well. It will look a bit more like a softer glam look, but I think it definitely would look really pretty as well. So I'm going for the wing liner. I have a video where I go more in depth on how to perfect your wing liner, so I'll make sure to link that video in the description bar if you need some tips and tricks on how to wing line. Then now for underneath the wing liner I went in with a little bit of concealer because I still had some eyeshadows kind of like blended underneath the wing liner and I wanted to make it look as sharp and clean as possible. So I just used a little bit of concealer with a concealer brush and then I blended it out with my finger. Then I went in with that same gray color and used this underneath the lower lash line with a very flat brush and just applying it as close as I could against my lash line. Then after this I'm gonna blend it out using that same color. For my waterline I actually didn't use anything because I couldn't find like a pencil that looked nice with this, so I just decided to not apply anything. Then I curled my lashes because it was time for mascara and I grabbed my favorite one, which is by Lancome, the Hypnose Love Salute mascara. And I went in with some false lashes, but of course this is up to you if you want to go for some false lashes or just do mascara only. I use these beautiful lashes from Ardell, which I think are super pretty. And yeah, this is also already the end of the video. I hope this gave you some last minute inspiration for Christmas. Let me know if you're celebrating it today or if you're celebrating tomorrow or both. I would love to know. And I want to wish you all amazing days and hopefully I will see you after Christmas. Bye guys!